All right, guys, just a quick video today to give you a tip if you're having some issues with a leak around the bead of your tire. I just had these tires mounted not too long ago, and these are powder coated wheels, so they're slightly oversized from what the factory spec was, and I was having a couple small leaks around the bead here. So what I did to get rid of those leaks is I went ahead and I inflated the tire to the maximum inflation PSI that's on the side of the tire. For this one, it's 51 PSI. So I inflated it to 51 PSI, and I grabbed my dead blow hammer. I had one small leak here, another small leak here, and another one over here, and I basically just went around and gently tapped on the side of the tire. Didn't hit the rim, but on the side of the tire where those leaks were, and it popped that the rest of the way over to where it was sealed. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the wheel back up and put it back on and see if it holds air, which it should, because there's no more bubbles coming out anywhere that I can find. But you need to remember to go ahead and deflate the tire back down to the proper PSI for your vehicle. In my case, it's 38 PSI. If you don't do that, you're gonna have uneven tire wear. So I hope this helps. Have a great one.